In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find YouTube keywords using the Vidiq Keyword Inspector tool. This is an incredibly useful method for optimizing your video content and attracting the right audience to your channel. So let's dive right in and explore how you can utilize this powerful tool to its fullest potential. First, you'll need to open YouTube on your computer. Make sure you have Vidiq installed, as it is crucial for this process. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to download and install the Vidiq extension from the Chrome Web Store. It's simple and provides a suite of features that will enhance your YouTube experience tremendously. Once you're on YouTube with Vidiq ready to go, click on any video. As you click on the video, you'll notice the Vidiq panel appears on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is filled with a wealth of information, from channel statistics to engagement data, and it really serves as your command center for YouTube analytics. Now, we need to access the Keyword Inspector. To do this, look for the hamburger icon in the Vidiq panel. It might sometimes be in the form of 3 horizontal lines, a common icon across various platforms, indicating more options or a menu. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear. From there, scroll through the options until you see Keyword Inspector. This tool is your gateway to discovering valuable keywords that can catapult your video's reach. Once you've located and clicked on the Keyword Inspector, you'll see a search bar. Here, you can type in any keyword that relates to your video or channel content. Think about what words potential viewers might use to find your content. Type the keyword into that search bar and press enter or click the search icon. This action prompts the Keyword Inspector to work its magic. The tool will analyze and return a list of relevant keywords along with valuable data like the search volume, competition level, and overall keyword score. These metrics are vital as they help you determine which keywords are most suitable for your content. Aim for keywords that have a high search volume but low competition, as these are golden opportunities to rank higher in search results. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can leverage the Vidiq Keyword Inspector tool to refine your keyword strategy and enhance your video's discoverability on YouTube. Remember, the right keywords are key to increasing visibility and drawing more viewers to your content. Thank you for watching, and happy keyword hunting.